The LG V20 user and today in the video on the T-Mobile REVVL Plus for Metro by T-Mobile. So this is like the middle spec wise, lineup for the REVVL 4 line. So this is like the all bumped up everything before. So specs in here are pretty good for the REVVL Plus. This is a bump over the REVVL 4, of course. So you guys can find there. So it's premium features with less. So this is the budget phone, so you can do them all. So yeah, so the specs in here are pretty good. So you have a 6.52 inch HD plus display, dual cameras on the back at 16 megapixels and 5 megapixels, and it does look like a Pixel 4 camera setup there on the back, so it's pretty cool. And you have a 4,000 mAh battery. The REVVL 4 Plus is $189.99, so not too bad. So yeah, let's check this one for a spin. So in front of them, you have a teardrop mask for your 5-facing camera there. You also pretty nice, pretty in my opinion. Power and then keys will be on the right side of the phone here. So yeah, like I said, power and then key. Well, yeah, power and keys are over here on the right side of the phone. You have a pink power button, so pretty nice detail there. And then on the back of the REVVL 4 Plus, you guys will have the dual camera setup with camera flash. It does look like the Pixel 4 camera setup there, so pretty cool there. Of course, fingerprint sensor, T-Mobile logo there, so pretty nice. And the back of the phone looks like it's a metallish color. I don't know if it's probably plastic build, but it looks kind of all premium looking right here on the back. So that's pretty nice. Take this one to the left side of the phone here. You do have your sun and micro SD slot on the left. So yeah. So it says here, REVVL 4 Plus offers a cinematic 6.52 inch HD plus display, dual rear cameras, and flagship level performance, giving you the latest tech at an affordable price. REVVL 4 Plus impresses with its classic look and enhanced with 2.5D glass display, holographic back, which is interesting, and power button like for notifications, like incoming messages, call, or charging. So the power button on the right side of the phone here. Okay, so left side, so let's go ahead and take a look at the phone here. So we have headphone jack on the top, and then also has a microphone. And then on the bottom of the REVVL 4 Plus, you have Type-C charging and your microphone and speaker. It's not dual speakers, it's not. One of them is a microphone. So yeah. So anyways, your power button right here on the right side of the phone does light up, so it's pretty fucking sweet. So it will light up for text messages, calls, anything like that. If you have any notifications, your power button will light up, so that is pretty fucking sweet right there. So great job for that is a fucking million. That's a million. So yeah. So anyways, quick specs on the REVVL 4 Plus. You guys have a 6.52 inch HD plus U-Max display, mass reconciling dual 16 and 5 megapixel rear cameras. Snapdragon 665 octa-core processor, 4,000 mAh fast charging, 4 metro RAM, and 64 GB of storage. Power button both with notification light, so that's pretty nice. So this one is $189.99, so Not bad for $200. I mean, you're getting you're kind of getting you're getting mid-range specs, so not bad. You can get the level 4 Plus for free if you guys switch to Metro, so that's pretty cool. So 16 megapixel front-facing camera, 4-in-1 big pixel technology for brighter softness, 4,000 mAh battery, fast charging battery with OTG 1.0, reverse charging capability, keeps your phone and accessories going. 6.52 inch HD plus. This one, cinematic notch display with 18:9 widescreen aspect ratio. Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor, superior octa-core performance and responsiveness. You will have uninterrupted performance, experience flexible level responsiveness thanks to the Snapdragon 665 chipset, octa-core processor for the electric RAM, and the fast charging 4,000 mAh battery. So pretty sweet. Cinematic display, the bold, high definition 6.52 inch display, paired with a hi-fi stereo speakers, provide a rich visual experience for gaming, for entertainment on the go. Impressive photography. REVVL 4 Plus features powerful dual rear cameras with AI scene detection, bokeh effect, and a 16 megapixel front-facing camera with 4-in-1 big pixel technology for brighter software. So pretty nice. And of course the REVVL 4 Plus has Metro Play. So get more from your new phone with Metro Play. This one includes Metro Play and app often created content from -60 of today's most popular channels, all for free. Just swipe right from the home screen and tap the Metro Play tab at the top. Right? So check it out. And the specs on the REVVL 4 Plus are pretty good. Not bad for $200. 64 gigabytes of storage. About 47 gigabytes of that is available to you to use. 4 gigabytes of RAM. 6.52 inch HD plus. U-notch display. Dual rear cameras at 16 megapixels and a 5 megapixel dual rear cameras and a 16 megapixel front-facing camera. Micro SD card slot up to 256 gigs. Mobile hotspot, 20 hours talk time, Android 10. Snapdragon 665, 1.8 GHz octa-core. The REVVL 4 Plus weighs 6.35 ounces. So yeah. And then you have some accessories for the REVVL 4 Plus right here, so check those out. So yeah, there you go. So the REVVL 4 Plus is not at Metro by T-Mobile for $189.99. But if you guys switch to Metro, you can get the REVVL 4 Plus for free if you guys switch to Metro. So for $200, this one looks very nice. It has great specs for what it is. This is a budget mid-range smartphone, so the specs on here are really good. The phone looks very nice. So if you guys are looking to get a great phone with great specs on the cheap, the REVVL 4 Plus is worth taking a look at here. So nice to confirm, great specs and everything else. So yeah, there you guys have it. The T-Mobile REVVL 4 Plus. Now available at Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys, and let us know about these great cameras and surround. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.